friends, this is Dr. Nikisha Jariwala. Welcome to the tutorial of ASP.NET. Today we will see the concept of cookies. Cookies is a client-side state management technique. First of all, let's see what is state management technique. State management is a technique within which we will store user state information either on a client machine or on the server. There are two types of state management technique. Client-side state management technique and server-side state management technique. If we store user state information on the client machine, then it is known as client-side state management technique. And if we store user state information on the server machine, then it is known as server-side state management technique. There are four types of client-side state management technique: cookies, query string, view state, and hidden field. Likewise, there are four server-side state management techniques: session, application, user profile, and caching. As cookies is a client-side state management technique, user state information is stored on a client machine, that is either in browser's memory or within the text file. If it is stored in a browser's memory, we can say it is non-persistent cookie or temporary cookie. And if the cookie's information is stored within a text file, then we can say it is persistent cookie or permanent cookie. So let's see an example.
For the example, I have created two pages, that is createcookie.aspx and retrievecookie.aspx. On createcookie.aspx page, I will create the cookie, and on retrievecookie.aspx page, I will retrieve the cookie that is created on createcookie.aspx page. Now what I want to do within the example is, I will ask two favorite colors from the user, that is the first color and the second color. First color I will set as a for color and second color I will set as a back color, and both the values will be added in the cookies. Then on retrievecookie.aspx page, I will retrieve those values from the cookie and I will set for color and back color for the label. So let's see. So this is the design of createcookie.aspx page. I have specified please enter two favorite colors, and then I have asked two favorite colors from the user. So for that purpose, I have taken two text boxes. The name of the first text box, that is ID property of the first text box, is txtfcolor, and the ID property of the second text box is txtscolor. Then I have placed one button control, and the ID property of the button control is btn create cookie. On the click event of this button control, we will create the cookie. So let's see the code. So this is the click event of btn create cookie button. On the click event, first of all we will check whether the cookie with the same name exists or not. That is, I want to create cookie with name color. So first of all I will check whether the cookie with same name exists or not. So for that purpose, I have checked the if condition, that is if not request.cookies. As I want to retrieve the value, so I will use request object, and within that request object there is cookies collection. And as I want to check whether the cookie with color exists or not, so I have specified over here the name of the cookie, that is color. If the cookie exists, it will return not null value, and if the cookie does not exist, then it will return null value. So for that purpose I have checked the condition, that is the value is system.dbnull.value or not. If the value is null, that is cookie does not exist, then I need to create the cookie. So to create the cookie, we will use HTTP cookie class. So first of all we will create object of HTTP cookie class, that is dim c as new HTTP cookie, and the name of the cookie will be color. So that is specified over here. After that, we need to add name and value pair within the values collection of HTTP cookie object. So in our example, the name of object is C. So we will specify c.values.add, name will be fcolor and value will come from txt fcolor.text, that is the text box control that we have placed on our page. Likewise, we will also add the value for b color, that is back color, that is c.values.add, name will be b color and value will come from txt scolor.text. Again, that is the text box which we have placed on our page. After that, as we want to retrieve the cookie on another pages, we need to add object of cookie within cookies collection of response object. So we will specify response.cookies.add and within that we will add the C object, that is the object of HTTP cookie, and then we will redirect the user to retrieve cookie.aspx page, that is response.redirect. Within parenthesis double quotation we will specify the name of the page, that is retrieve cookie.aspx. So the user will be redirected to this page. Now let's see the design of retrieve cookie.aspx page. Here is the design. We have placed one button control, that is retrieve cookie. ID property of retrieve cookie button is btn retrieve cookie. Then we have placed one label control. The ID property of the label control is lbl color. Within that text property I have specified this is the example of cookie. Now let's see the click event of retrieve cookie button. So here is the code. Now as we want to deal with color, first of all we need to import system.drawing namespace. So here is the statement, that is imports system.drawing. Then within the click event of btn retrieve cookie button, first of all we will retrieve the cookie from the request object. That is, we will specify dim cookie as HTTP cookie. Here we don't need to specify new keyword because we don't want to create the object, we just want to create the reference, as we will assign the reference of color cookie which we will retrieve from request object. So we will specify the statement, that is dim cookie as HTTP cookie is equal to request.cookies and the name of the cookie is color. After that we will check whether the value of this cookie reference is null or not. So again the same statement, that is if not cookie is system.dbnull.value, means if the cookie is not null, that is cookie exists within the cookies collection of request object, then we will create the object of color class, that is dim f, b as new color. Color class is present within system.drawing namespace. Two objects will be created, f and b. F will be used for color and b will be used for back color. After that we will specify f is equal to color, that is the name of the class, dot from name. From name is the method which will return the value in terms of color for the string that is passed within that method. As we want the color value of f color variable which we have added within the cookie, so we will specify cookie.values, then we will specify f color which we have already added over here on the page of create cookie, and then we will convert that value into string with the help of toString method. So with the help of this statement we will able to retrieve for color and that value is passed within from name method which will return the color value of f color. Likewise we will specify b is equal to color dot from name, and within that we will specify cookie dot values b color, that is for back color which we have created over here, and again we will convert it into string with the help of toString method. So this statement will retrieve the value of b color variable which is present in cookie, and with the help of from name method we will get the color value of that b color and it is assigned to b. Then we will set back color and for color property of lbl color label, that is lbl color dot back color is equal to b. that is the value which we will get over here, and after that we will set lbl color dot for color is equal to f, that is the value will come from f color. So this is all about the code. Now let's execute our page. So here is our page. We need to specify two colors, that is user has to specify two favorite colors. So let's specify. Within first I will specify red, and in second I will specify yellow, and then I will click on create cookie button. So the cookie will be created and the object will be added in the cookies collection of response object. Now this is retrieve cookie page. On this page we will click on retrieve cookie button. So the values which are present within the cookies will be retrieved and the value will be set within this label. So let's click on retrieve cookie button. So these are the changes. As I have specified, first color as red and second color as yellow. So first color red is set as a for color and second color yellow is set as a back color. So this is how we can create the cookie. We can redirect from one page to another, and on another page we will retrieve the cookie and we will make the changes according to the colors which are present within the cookie. So this is all about the example.
If the tutorial is helpful to you, please like and share the video. Also subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the update. Thank you.